This is Irontrader. It is Tuesday mornings. We're going to take a look here at the crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Now, you can see, as I've been pointing out on this chart, the two very critical resistant levels were this 8 SMA, now sitting at 70.28, and the key 21-day SMA sitting at 70.34. So obviously we couldn't get through, and look at that big ass red candle. Now what we want to do is we want to watch Friday's low. Okay, so you're sitting at 67.35. Then we want to look here, you're looking at 67.15, and then your big retest area is going to be 66.80. Now that really needs to hold. If not, we're going to come down here in the 65 area, and then we have a 64.36, and then your big retest here is 63.64. If this is lost, then you'll be down in the 61 area and then 58 to 56 area real quick. Okay, so this is going to be critical support level right here at 66.80. Now, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look to the bottom of yesterday's candle. Okay, so you're looking at 68.71. You're looking at 68.93. Then we have 69.65, and then we come back into this 8 SMA here at 70.27, and then your 70.34. That is going to be your big resistant areas. Now, if you can get above, then we look at the top of this candle here, 71.15. You got 72.03. You have 72.38, 72.65, and then right there you got your big boy 72.42. Now, if you've been watching the videos, you notice I've been pointing out the downtrends on the 200-day, the 100-day, the 50 SMA. See how that everything is curling down. That's never a bullish sign, okay? When they have to be curling up, see how like this is? When everything was rising up, see how it takes the price right up? This is just not a very good sign. So watch this key level here, 66.80. That's going to be extremely critical support. If not, there's your big target. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and your monthly. Okay, your monthly is still holding in there pretty good here. Okay, you're sitting at 66.03. That's your key 50 SMA here. And then you have your 200 SMA sitting at 72.72. So you're trading right in that range. But let me just big this up here. Now, if that 50-day is lost, then we look to this price channel right here. So you're sitting at 62.34, and then we can come down to this 100 SMA here. You're looking at 59.58. Okay, that is on your monthly chart here. So you really need to hold this key 50 SMA here, sitting at 66.03. That is going to be very, very key on your monthly chart. Now, what we have here is we want to look here at 67.51. That is going to be your 200 SMA. That's going to be very, very key support. If not lost, then we look to the bottom of this candle, 65.38. You got 64.36, and then your big retest there sitting at 63.64. Now, if that is lost, then here's your target right here. 61.74 is going to be your target if this price channel here, your retest here at 63.64 is lost. So just keep this very in mind here. You know, I'm not saying it's going to get down there. It could just bounce right back up to there today. But, you know, when you have a big brouhaha going on in Russia and you've got summer driving and you see crude oil selling off, it's really not a good look. It just looks like it wants to go lower. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, here we have natty gas, your 1 hour and your 4 hour chart. Now, yesterday, you know, it rallied right on up here pretty nice, made a new high at 2.81. But remember, I was telling you that's a contract roll. And usually when you get the contract roll, it runs right up into the price. Now, yesterday it held it, which was very good. So what we want to do, look here today, is we want to look to this price channel that's going on right here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.73, which lines up very nice here with your 50-day SMA. So that is going to be your key support levels. Now, again, if that's lost, then we look to the bottom of this candle here, you're looking at 2.72. Okay, and then you could come all the way down here to this 2.65 here. Now, remember this double top here that I've been pointing out here. Okay, so this was 2.685, and then what we had here is the retest on this was 2.696. Then it sold off, and then it rallied right into that contract roll. Okay, so now what this is, that double top now becomes your support level. So you want to watch those key support levels if it sells through this 2.73 here. Yeah. So first of all will be the 2.696, and then we have 2.685. And then we can start going right on down here where you have, your 21 SMA here, and then you have your 50 SMA here, sitting at all the way down to 2.61. So we just got to see. But right now on the hourly chart here, it's just going like a sideways action. So let's take a look here on your daily chart. Okay, your daily chart is still looking pretty good here. Okay, so the key is going to be support level is going to be this 8 SMA here. Okay, so you're sitting at 2.639. That's going to be very, very key level of support. And then what we have here next is you have your 21 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.41. And then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.36. And then finally your 50 SMA sitting at 2.34. Those will be your support levels. But the key one to watch is going to be this 8 SMA sitting at 2.64. Now, what we want to do is watch the top of yesterday's candle sitting at 2.816. That is going to be the key level. If it can hold that, close above or right in that area, what we're looking for here is we just go to the left of the chart here. Okay, so then you're looking at 2.839. Then you look in 2.86, and then this is the retest here at 3.027. That's going to be the big retest if it can close, above that. You had nice 4-day of action in the green. Now we have a red candle here. But again, it's really early here. So on the downside, watch this key 8 SMA. That's going to be key support. All right, I will have more for you on crude oil and natural gas after pit close at 2:30. And thanks for watching.